Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Is Selenium used in DevOps Lifecycle? Yes. Selenium test tool can be used in DevOps Lifecycle. Selenium, it is a testing tool for automating functional testing of web applications. It is for automated functional testing of web applications. Next, DevOps, development and operations. Software development and operations. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is not a software. It is a methodology. Say, for software development, we have several life cycle models, process models. For example, waterfall model, V model. These are sequential development models. Next, spiral model, agile model, etc. are there. Those are incremental and iterative models. Incremental models. Okay. See, for software development and testing, software testing is an integral part of software development. For software development, we have several life cycle models like waterfall model, V model, spiral model, agile model, etc. They are for software development. This DevOps, development and operations, it integrates important functions of software development with the software operations. See, developing software applications and functioning those software applications. Production environment, real usage of application. Say DevOps, development and operations. It combines important functions of software development and software operations. Means production. Say in DevOps life cycle, we have some important stages. Important stages of DevOps life cycle. Continuous development. Next, continuous testing. Next, continuous integration. Next, continuous deployment. Next, continuous monitoring. Here, continuous testing is one of the phase of DevOps life cycle. For continuous testing, QA test tools like Selenium is used for continuous testing. So, Selenium test tool can be used in DevOps lifecycle. Thank you.